In general, what led to your tax difficulties?
It started in December of 2015. We were with a company and they were taking the taxes out immediately. Being that we were small and didn't have the staff and the income to do the taxes that same day or that same week, it had to come out the following, but they couldn't do it. So we were fined for a year until December of 2015, and we missed a payment. And then from that, it just went downhill. You never really think about penalties and how those penalties grow. And it got to the point where we were just in over our head. We started to get letters demanding payments in regards to lien on our businesses and our personal things. And it was just something that we couldn't handle ourselves. We called other companies, and you all were like number one as far as ratings. So we got in contact with Mike and went there, and you were honest with us in regards to our personal responsibilities in this case, and really didn't think that we were going to get the outcome that we got, but we got it. And it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing because I thought that we would still have that big penalty, but just to come down to just $3,000 out of what we owed, almost over $200,000. Huge blessing. Huge blessing.
Good. So what was most important, and I know this is business related, so obviously it was saving your business, but maybe there are some details as far as that goes. What was most important to you about getting this resolved?
Becoming compliant and staying compliant, having all of the payments made on time, having all of the forms completed and submitted on time, and efforts to stay compliant.
So there was forms that we didn't even know that we had to file in doing taxes. There were things when we were filing our taxes that we didn't even know about. We didn't know that we shouldn't have been on payroll. We were told by someone who has a daycare center and she was on payroll, put yourself on payroll. When we put ourselves on payroll, we couldn't even cash our checks. So we were just making a big liability for ourselves as well. And she definitely said, just definitely becoming compliant, keeping our business, keeping our name, and not losing homes and such in this whole mess.
Right. So, and then also having the ability to be more hands off and focused on your business.
Yes.
Not having to worry about that aspect.
Yes.
Right.
So
yes.
That's good.
Another aspect too with John is that you gave us things to grow our business. You gave us advice outside of taxes to grow our business. Hey ladies, you need to go up on your tuition, you're too low. Or in the summertime, you need to think about having a camp to bring extra kids in, to bring in extra income to help you. And that helped.
Yes.
So that was like something above and beyond what you did for us.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I know we also talked about getting pre-contract signed for the summertime, so that kind of thing, so guarantee your revenue stream through the seasonal changes. And then, I don't want to go too deep into it, but I think you touched on this in one of your prior answers, but you guys provide a great service to your community. All right, you allow single moms to go to work, families to go to work. You're educating children. Can we touch on a little bit of that as far as the benefit of not having this problem in your life?
Just at this point, being examples to our parents. There was some parents that they were fighting over finances, and I'm like, look, your marriage is not worth you fighting over finances. So if you have to cut down, even though we don't want you to cut down your hours here at Little Bears, if you have to do that, and just learn how to budget. So not only are we taking care of the kids, but then we're also, in our experience, giving them advice of, hey, you have to have a budget and you have to stick to that budget. And understand that budgets are flexible. Sometimes, you may think that everything is set in stone, but when you get a DTE bill for $1,000 and you're not expecting that, what do? So learn how to save and kind of live a little bit under your means so that you'll have a cushion So just giving them that advice. Just being there for our families, just being there for the kids, getting those hugs in the morning. Parents like, thank you so much for what you've done. My kid is in kindergarten and they're doing so well right now, and we're
That's right.
expecting another one, so here comes another one to Little Bears, and just getting the referrals. So that just being able to stay in place and hold on to our business and hold on to our dream, because that was our dream. We've been thinking about this since we were young, when we used to line dials up along the table, along the stairs in our parents' basement, and pretend like we were teachers.
That's beautiful.
So, yeah.
That's cool. Well, I think that probably does it. I think we're good. Yeah. All right. Let's cut it. You guys mind taking a picture with me?
Yeah.
Yeah,